Did you know that the type of fruit you choose can significantly impact your blood sugar levels? While fruits are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, not all of them are ideal for people with diabetes. Some fruits can help stabilize your blood sugar, while others might cause sharp spikes. In this video, we're taking a deep dive into the world of fruits, analyzing their effects on blood sugar, and uncovering the best options for people managing diabetes. Whether you're newly diagnosed or looking for better strategies, this guide will provide you with science-backed insights and practical advice. What makes a fruit diabetes-friendly? The first step to understanding which fruits are best is knowing what makes a fruit diabetes-friendly. 3 primary factors determine this. Net carbs, total carbohydrates minus fiber. Fruits with lower net carbs usually have a milder impact on blood sugar. Glycemic index, GI. This measures how quickly a food raises blood sugar. A GI below 55 is considered low and ideal for people with diabetes. Nutrient density. Fruits rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants offer added health benefits without spiking blood sugar levels. Armed with this knowledge, let's explore how specific fruits impact blood sugar and where they fall on our diabetes-friendly scale. Bananas. Popular, but tricky. Bananas are a favorite snack rich in potassium and vitamin B6. However, they also have 20 grams of net carbs per 100 grams and a GI of 51. In my testing, bananas caused a noticeable spike in blood sugar, placing them in the red bucket. If you love bananas, try eating half a banana paired with protein-rich foods like nuts to slow sugar absorption. Portion control is essential. Apples. Balanced and versatile. Apples are portable and packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. They have 12 grams of net carbs per 100 grams and a GI of 39. While they caused a moderate spike in blood sugar, pairing them with almond butter or cheese reduced the impact. Apples are a solid choice for the yellow bucket, suitable for moderate consumption. Berries, small but powerful. Berries such as strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries are often hailed as superfoods. They are low in carbs and packed with antioxidants. Here's how they compare. Strawberries. 6 grams of net carbs per 100 grams, GI of 39. Minimal impact on blood sugar, placing them firmly in the green bucket. Raspberries. 5 grams of net carbs per 100 grams, GI of 28. These are a standout option for people with diabetes and also fall in the green bucket. Blueberries. 12 grams of net carbs per 100 grams. GI of 53. While nutrient-rich, they cause a slightly higher blood sugar spike, placing them in the yellow bucket. For a diabetes-friendly snack, enjoy a handful of strawberries or raspberries, paired with Greek yogurt for added protein and stability. Avocados, the champion fruit. Avocados are unlike any other fruit. They are low in carbs, rich in healthy fats, and have a GI of just 15. With only 2 grams of net carbs per 100 grams, avocados have virtually no impact on blood sugar. They belong in the green bucket and can be eaten freely by people with diabetes. Incorporate avocados into your diet as a spread on whole grain bread, in salads, or even in smoothies. However, remember that avocados are calorie-dense, so if weight management is a goal, consume them in moderation. Watermelon. Refreshing but risky. Watermelon is loved for its hydrating and refreshing qualities, but it's a tricky fruit for people with diabetes. With 8 grams of carbs per 100 grams and a GI of 76, watermelon's sugars are absorbed quickly, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar. If you enjoy watermelon, portion control is key. Pair it with a high-fiber food like chia seeds or nuts to slow sugar absorption. For most people with diabetes, watermelon falls into the red bucket. Grapefruit. A surprising ally. Grapefruit has only 9 grams of net carbs per 100 grams and a GI of 25, making it an excellent choice for blood sugar control. It caused only a mild rise in my testing and is firmly in the green bucket. However, grapefruit can interact with certain medications, so consult your doctor if you're unsure. When consumed safely, it's a refreshing and nutrient-packed option. Oranges, a citrus classic. Oranges are widely known for their vitamin C content and refreshing taste. With 10 grams of net carbs per 100 grams and a GI of 45, oranges fall into the yellow bucket. They cause a moderate spike in blood sugar, but can still be enjoyed in small portions. However, orange juice is a different story. A single glass can contain the sugar equivalent of 2 to 3 oranges, but lacks the fiber, making it a high GI option. Stick to whole oranges and avoid orange juice to keep blood sugar stable. Kiwi, a tropical delight. Kiwi is a nutrient-dense fruit loaded with vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. With 11 grams of net carbs per 100 grams and a GI of 53, kiwi falls into the yellow bucket. While it causes a mild spike, its high fiber content helps slow sugar absorption. A great way to enjoy kiwi is to pair it with a handful of nuts or add it to a high-protein smoothie. Moderation is key to keeping blood sugar levels steady. Plums, a juicy stone fruit. Plums are a sweet and juicy stone fruit with 10 grams of net carbs per 100 grams and a GI of 39, making them a low GI option. In my testing, plums caused only a mild and gradual rise in blood sugar, placing them in the green bucket. They are a versatile snack, perfect on their own or sliced into salads. They're an excellent option for anyone looking for a sweet but blood sugar-friendly fruit. Cherries, sweet versus sour. Cherries are an interesting fruit because their impact on blood sugar varies depending on the variety. Sweet cherries have 15 grams of net carbs per 100 grams and a GI of 62, which places them in the red bucket due to their high sugar content. Sour cherries, on the other hand, have only 10 grams of net carbs and a GI of 22, making them a diabetes-friendly choice in the green bucket. If you enjoy cherries, opt for the sour variety and consume them fresh for the best results. Mango, a tropical temptation. Mangoes are beloved for their sweet tropical flavor, but they come with a higher carb content. With 13 grams of net carbs per 100 grams and a GI of 55, mangoes can cause noticeable spikes in blood sugar. They belong in the red bucket. If you love mangoes, enjoy them sparingly, no more than a small slice or two, and pair them with high-fiber foods to mitigate the impact. Dried mangoes should be avoided as their sugar concentration is much higher. Blackberries, a nutritional powerhouse. Blackberries are a fantastic option for people with diabetes. With only 5 grams of net carbs per 100 grams and a GI of 25, they fall firmly in the green bucket. Rich in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants, blackberries are excellent for blood sugar control. They're versatile and can be enjoyed on their own, added to smoothies, or paired with Greek yogurt for a healthy snack. Feel free to indulge in these guilt-free berries. Pears, sweet and subtle. Pears are another excellent option, offering 12 grams of net carbs per 100 grams and a GI of 38. They caused a moderate but gradual rise in blood sugar. Placing them in the yellow bucket, a medium-sized pear is a great snack option when paired with a handful of nuts or a slice of cheese. Its high fiber content helps reduce sugar absorption, making it a good addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. Cantaloupe, sweet but risky. Cantaloupe is a refreshing fruit with 7 grams of net carbs per 100 grams. However, its GI is 65, making it a high GI fruit that falls into the red bucket. If you enjoy cantaloupe, stick to small portions and pair it with high-fiber or protein-rich foods to help stabilize blood sugar levels. Avoid large servings as they can cause rapid spikes. Pineapple, tropical sweetness. Pineapple is a tropical favorite, but comes with a higher GI of 59 and 12 grams of net carbs per 100 grams. It falls into the red bucket due to its tendency to cause rapid blood sugar spikes. If you want to enjoy pineapple, do so sparingly, no more than a small slice or two, and always pair it with protein or fiber to slow sugar absorption. Managing diabetes doesn't mean you have to give up on fruits. By understanding the carb content, glycemic index, and nutrient profile of each fruit, you can make informed decisions and enjoy a wide variety of fruits safely. Fruits like avocados, blackberries, and raspberries are excellent choices for stable blood sugar control, while fruits like bananas, watermelon, and pineapple require portion control and mindful pairing with other foods. Remember, moderation is key. The best fruits for you are the ones that fit your taste preferences, health goals, and blood sugar management strategy. Share your favorite diabetes-friendly fruits in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next video.